Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Toyl Beauty for Life or Time of Your Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl November 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, if you are new to Toyl, this is a monthly beauty premium subscription box because it costs £35 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you will receive from 4 to 5 or more beauty products, from skincare to makeup. And this subscription box, they target more women over 40, but in my opinion, as always, this one is for all age because I'm under 40. I still use the items that I received. So yes, let's open this month Toyl. And also, lovelies, before I start, this is the second time I'm filming this video because I was trying to export the video on my iPad and it disappeared. I don't know what happened. So this is the second time I'm filming it. Fingers crossed that this will be okay. So let's start, shall we? So you have the tissue paper as always, and then inside we have the leaflet, and it says, welcome to your November box. It's makeover time. So this month theme is all makeup, and it says these gorgeous makeup products are the best to help you look amazing. Strong lip, fluttery lashes, glowing skin, softened lines. You will wow your friends with how fabulous you look at this party season. Karen, she's the Toyl founder. And then inside we have the description with the prices, and let's start and let's see each product in this box. So the first one here we have from Lord & Berry. This is the Skin Contour Mattifying Blurring Primer. So here we go, the product, and inside of this product, as you can see, pink shade. And this one, it says, this incredible product is the best to give a soft focused look to our skin. This works on any skin tone. I know it's look pink, but it's actually colorless, and I know how that sounds, but it is. Use this under makeup to soften lines and extend how long your makeup will last. Apply it over moisturizer, let it sink in for a few minutes before applying foundation or tinted moisturizer. It will make you look amazing. This is a full-size product, and it's retail for £36. It's quite expensive. And then the next one we have here, and this is the product that I'm really excited to try. This is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the Ultra Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. So this is the palette, and then we have, as always, the mirror, and we have the shades here. There's a plasticky. So we have all the shades in here. As you can see, I swatched it already. I swatched it on my first video. Here is the two shade here. Ooh, lovely shade. Really subtle highlighters. And then let's move with the darker shade one. You have one matte bronzer. And yes, here is all the 4 shades. Really gorgeous one. The matte bronzer at the end, it's not really that dark. It's not really that pigmented, so you can like build it up. And then this one here you can use also as an eyeshadow, and this one as you can use it as an eyeshadow too, but it's really a gorgeous highlighter. And this is a full size, and it's retail for £28.99. And it says 3 different mineral highlighter to suit all skin tone and 1 shading powder. A dust of glow on cheeks, collarbones, and décolletage is the rigor for midlifers, but don't overdo it. A dust is all we need. The shading powder isn't so much for contouring as warming up the face around the hairline, particularly if you have silver gray hair, but hold back on how much you use. It's just to warm skin up, not look tan. And then we have next one we have here, and this is from Lord & Berry again. This is the Vogue Matte Semi Matte Lipstick in the shade Fuchsia 821. So here we go, and let's see the shade. Ooh, very fuchsia shade, perfect for like autumn or spring too. So this one is a full size and it's retail for 17 pounds. My mom used a pink shade or fuchsia shade lipstick. She loves that color. It says, it's a party time, I want drama on your lips, bold colors look incredible on midlife women, and I've chosen fuchsia to complement the bold red we tried in January. This lipstick offers full-on color with moisture. Moisture lips, one coat of lipstick, seal it in with some translucent powder. Second coat blot, and you should be good all night. And the fourth product we have here as a makeup, we have from Code Beautiful. This is the Volumizing Lengthening Mascara. Here we go, the product. And I think I have already this item. I will pop here as always the applicator because I have 4-5 mascara open at the moment, so I'll wait to open this one. So this is the inside packaging, and as I said, this is a full size and it's retail for £19.95. and it says the search is over. This is it. This is the best mascara you will ever use in my opinion, and I have 3 of these on the go at any one time. Volumizing lengthening is exactly what we need. We want to open eyes up. Use a lash curler before applying and you will have a maximum drama without any need of eyeshadow. So yes, full size again. And the last product we have here, lovelies, it's a treat, extra treat. Usually Toyl, they put extra treat every month, and we have the Vita Liberata, the advanced tinted tanning elixir. I think this is just a deluxe sample travel size. It has 30 ml. This is the product I won't use because, as you know, if you follow me for a while, I don't use fake tan. So yes, this one, it says the ultimate hydrating medium self tan which fades evenly over 10 days. So yes, this is the last product. So yeah, that's all as you can see. Let's do a recap. So you will receive an extra treat from Vita Liberata, the Heavenly Elixir Advanced Tinted Tanning Elixir. You will receive a full size Ultra Glow Highlighting Bronzer from Bella Pierre, and then you will receive also from Lord & Berry the primer, which is the Mattifying Blurring Primer, and the lipstick, which is the Vogue Semi Matte Lipstick in the shade Fuchsia, and then you will receive a full size of mascara. So yes, overall, lovelies, this month, to be honest, I will use every single product except for the extra treat one. Who use a lot makeup definitely will enjoy this box. So if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, I have a referral code which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get this box for only £30, including the shipping fee, which is not bad because I know products inside in total are worth more than £100, so which is really not bad at all. It's really a great value subscription box. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. And you, what do you think of this subscription box? Are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to this subscription box? If you've already, what do you think? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.